Hello Michael, and thank you for placing this order, and the purpose of recording this video I want to show you what I have done. So first I have created this main dashboard, set up the banner, logo, and welcome happy birthday automation hub title, then welcome message this. After that, then I have created two pages. First is happy birthday tracker, and second is this referral home dashboard. Here you can see, like here, this page you can see here. So now we're going to show a first page is happy birthday tracker. So in happy birthday tracker, so this is logo, banner, welcome message, and so more. So here I have set up like to send email, and already I have test one, like this is working perfectly 100%. So this is name, date of birth, manual approved, then date, time, then send birthday email sent automatically, so more. So when I have put new entry like Ahmad and set up this date and select this approved, so they automatically show pop-up here, send email for today. So when 10 a.m. come here according to your time zone, so here will be automatically show here 2 days, like 2 days your birthday, like 2 days birthday. So this is working. And so let's move in next page. So next page is this, like in the referral home dashboard. So here you can see database. I have interpret database here. Then this is horizontally chart, this is vertical chart, this is line chart. So I have set up average chart, so you check out. So after watch this video, and let me know if you need any help, and if you have a further work about Notion, Monday, and other my services, so feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.